Which speaker on wheels is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, JBL PartyBox Stage 320. First up is the JBL PartyBox Stage 320. This portable party speaker caught my eye with its sleek design and powerful specs, priced at $629.95. If you want a speaker that can truly bring the party to life, this is worth a serious look. Let's talk features. The JBL PartyBox is all about the sound. With two 6.5-inch woofers and 25-dome tweeters, it delivers deep bass and crystal-clear highs that can fill a space the size of a tennis court. This is perfect if you're looking to entertain a larger crowd. Plus, the futuristic light show synced to your music adds a whole new level of excitement. You can party for up to 18 hours on a single charge, which means you can keep the music going all night long. And if it starts to rain, no worries, it's splash-proof. However, some users mention the weight of this speaker. At around 40 pounds, it can be a bit cumbersome to move around. Here's the thing though, the sound quality is outstanding, which makes it worth the extra effort if you want to impress your guests. This is perfect for you if you're hosting big outdoor parties or events. But skip it if you need something more lightweight and portable for smaller gatherings. Considering its features and sound quality, it's a solid investment for any serious music lover. Now, if the weight of the JBL PartyBox Stage 320 bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Pyle Portable Bluetooth PA Speaker. Next up is the Pyle Portable Bluetooth PA speaker system, priced at just $99. This caught my attention due to its affordability and decent power for the price. If you're looking for something budget-friendly that still brings the fun, this is worth checking out. This speaker packs a punch with 600 watts of peak power thanks to its 10-inch subwoofer. This means you'll get impressive bass and surround stereo sound, which is great for karaoke or just blasting your favorite tunes at a backyard barbecue. It features a rechargeable battery so you can take it anywhere, and it even includes flashy LED lights to keep the vibe alive. Plus, it has multiple inputs for different devices so you can play your music however you want. However, some reviews pointed out that the sound quality can get a bit distorted at high volumes. I'll be real with you, if you're an audiophile looking for perfect sound, this might not be your best bet. But for casual use, it's hard to beat the value. This is perfect for you if you want an economical PA solution for small gatherings. But if you need pristine audio quality for serious events, you might want to look elsewhere. For the price, it delivers solid performance and is definitely worth considering. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more portable needs. Product number 3, Pyle Portable 400W Speaker. Now let's talk about another Pyle model, the Portable 400W Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker, priced at $69.99. This one caught my eye because it's not only affordable but also highly rated, making it a go-to for many people. If you want something that's easy to carry and still sounds decent, this is worth looking into. With 400 watts of peak power, this speaker features an 8-inch subwoofer that gives you good bass for the size. It also has Bluetooth compatibility for wireless streaming, which is super convenient for everyday use. Plus, it comes with a wired mic for karaoke, making it a fun choice for parties. The built-in rechargeable battery and rolling wheels make it easy to take anywhere, so you're set for outdoor events or just hanging out with friends. But I have to be honest, some users mentioned issues with the battery life not lasting as long as expected, especially if you're using all the features at high volume. Here's the thing though, if you manage your usage, it can still be a fantastic value. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option for casual gatherings. But skip this one if you need something for larger parties or extensive use. For the price, it's definitely a good deal. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and features, the next speaker could be just what you need. Product number 4, Iron Block Rocker. Up next is the Iron Block Rocker, priced at $149.99. This one really stands out because of its versatility and solid reviews. If you want a speaker that can handle both parties and casual use, this is worth your attention. The iron block rocker has 4 speakers, giving you a rich sound experience. It also comes with a microphone for karaoke fun and has a very user-friendly design. A standout feature is its water-resistant design, making it ideal for outdoor events. The battery life is decent too, lasting several hours, which is great for parties or picnics. Plus, it has a USB port so you can charge your devices while the music plays. However, some users have pointed out that the bass isn't as strong compared to other models. Honestly, if you're looking for deep thumping bass, this might not cut it. But for general use, it still performs well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable speaker for various occasions. But skip it if bass is your top priority. When you consider its features and price, it's a solid choice for most casual listeners. Now, if you want something with even more power and the ability to last through any event, the final product on our list might just be what you're after. Product number 5, Monster Rockin Roller 270. Finally, we have the Monster Rockin Roller 270 priced at $204.99. This speaker grabbed my attention with its impressive battery life and sound quality. If you want something that can keep going for hours, this is worth considering. With up to 200 watts of power, this speaker delivers great sound quality for both indoor and outdoor events. That's insane and perfect for long parties or weekend trips. Plus, it has a Qi wireless charger built in so you can keep your devices powered up while enjoying your music. And it's weather resistant, which means you won't have to worry about a little rain ruining your fun. However, some users mention the size being a bit bulky. Look, if you're looking for a compact speaker, this might not be what you want. But if you prioritize sound quality and longevity, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a speaker that lasts through any event without worrying about recharging. But skip this if you need something smaller and more portable. Considering its power and battery life, it offers great value for your money. So to wrap it up, the JBL PartyBox Stage 320 is unbeatable for sound quality. The Pyle Portable Bluetooth PA speaker is budget-friendly. The Pyle Portable 400W speaker is great for casual use. The iron block rocker is versatile. And the Monster Rockin Roller 270 shines in battery life. Each has its strengths, so pick one based on your needs.